Hello again YouTube, it's Mr. Analytica here and I've got another video, and today it's a little unboxing of the new Galaxy Watch. So I'm very excited to see what this looks like. I've just posted one quick video earlier which showed the unboxing of the 42mm rose gold Galaxy Watch, and now I'm going to get stuck in and see what the 46mm Galaxy Watch is going to look like, and that's probably going to be the one that I'm most likely to keep and to use as my new daily watch. So let's jump straight in and get this box open. Nicely wrapped, slightly damaged box, and inside we've got our Galaxy Watch. So super excited, guys, to see this come out. We've really waited. Unlike phones, we're getting a new phone every year or whatever, but the Galaxy S3's been on the go for a while. We've had the Gear Sport, but I never really felt that it was a true replacement for the S3 with the lack of speaker and so on, even though it did have the waterproof functionality. So you can see here the Galaxy Watch, the outer box, glossy box there, showing us that it's a 22mm watch strap. So this is a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi version. So in the UK we can't actually get an LTE version, unlike you guys in the States. And guys, thanks for watching. Seriously, all you guys make this channel worthwhile. So I'm going to just zoom in here and we'll get this box open and see what's inside. So we flip it over and I've got a strong nail, so I'll slice this wee piece of paper. Unfortunately my nail's not that strong, so I'll slice this little bit of plastic with a knife and we're in. So there we go, give it a rattle. Wow, it's the new Galaxy Watch, and we can see now they've changed the design from the all black colour of the Frontier version of the previous to now a silver and gunmetal bezel and a silver surround. So you can see the little serrations. First thing I noticed, the serrations on the edge of the bezel are a lot smaller. See the big, quite industrial ones on the previous model. So let's pop it out and have a quick look around. So there's a black strap, looks really good, guys. And we've got more sensors on the back than before. On the S3 there's just 3 little sensors in the back here, and you've got 5 on the new Galaxy Watch. Again, it's a 22mm band, so this band should be the same size as on the Frontier, which it looks like it is. And now let's have a look what's inside the box. So just pull on this little tab here and the top hinges and it actually does remove. And we're left with 2 little compartments, and let's have a look all together now. Black bags. So in one we've got the charger, the lead, which is pretty standard. In the other we've got our strap. So if you're a small guy, you can pull out this shorter strap. In the other compartment we've got also your standard little charging dock that we had with the previous. This time there's 2 little grooves here. Let's see how that works. It does stop the watch rotating maybe. Put it in either orientation. I'm not sure what the 2 little tabs are for. So that's the new 46mm watch, and let's get it on our wrist and see how it looks. Time to go get rid of this S3, and it served me well. I've had it for a couple of years now. Just to lie them down beside each other briefly before I do put it on my wrist, you can see how similar they are, just a bit refreshed. So we've got a finer bezel, the teeth here, a bit more refined silver body. So you can see here on your watch when you get it, there is actually a little plastic film protecting each of the legs to the straps. You can just see it there. So I suppose we may as well leave that on for now. Just fitting it as usual with the silicone strap, seems pretty much same sort of rigidity as the previous one. I used to use the 4th hole, so I'm in the 5th hole in this strap. And there we go, that's the new Samsung Galaxy Watch. Looks good enough. Looks a wee bit like the Tag watch. So guys, that's pretty much what's in the box. Just the instructions, the short strap, the long strap, the charger and the docking station, and of course the watch itself. So as it says, let's go. We're going to go now and jump to the next video where we'll show you how to get your watch set up with your phone. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Let me know if you're going to get the Samsung Galaxy Watch, or you're going to stick with your Gear Sport or your Gear S3, whichever you already have, or maybe you've gone for an Apple Watch or something. So let me know in the comments, and be looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks, bye bye.